Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video we will show you how to create a numeric display in Allen Bradley HMI Panel View Plus. What we have today, a Panel View Plus 7 and Factory Talk View Studio, that is the HMI software. So let's begin here. First, select the screen, next Objects, Numeric and String, and Numeric Display. Currently, we are using only Numeric Display, not Input Enable. Say for example, a VFD, Ampere Feedback, amps feedback, so only a display right here. Okay, now the Properties window, it just popped up. Select the tag, and once again, if you do not find your tag, refresh all folders. All right, it's refreshing currently, and now we found our tag. We are going to display the timer accumulator here. So we have selected the tag. Next, hit OK. So we have the numeric display and displaying the timer accumulator in the HMI. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Tech support at controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Once again, thank you so much, and bye now.